Do you want to back up and restore cloud data from mail account or file formats? If yes, download BitRecover Cloud Backup and Restore Toolkit on your system. It is a professional software to back up and restore data with complete accuracy. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. Please select your required option for migration. The software offers several file format and webmail client options to restore and back up emails. Please select the required one as per the need. We are selecting Gmail as the required cloud backup option. You have to enter your mail account credentials. Enter email address of the account. Please enter Gmail app password of the account. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter here created app password. The Use Patch Mode option allows multiple users' profile backup at once. Enable this option and upload a CSV file containing credentials details. If you want to back up email data using a proxy server connect, then you can choose Use Proxy option. After that, login button to start the process. Now, you can see the mailboxes from your audit credentials account in the software panel. Please check the required folder for the process. In the Select Saving list, you will find multiple saving options as file format, email client, and webmail. So, choose as per the requirements. We are selecting the PSD for file option. User can also change the language of mailboxes in German, Spanish, and many more. After that, click on Change button and choose a location in your system to save the resultant file. Finally, click on the Backup button. The process of backup and restore is running live in the software panel. Once the process completed, you will get a complete conversion message. Click on OK. The trial edition of the Toolkit Backup and Restore First 25 email message from the mail account. Here's your backup and restored data folder on your mentioned location.